Hello there, welcome back. What I want to look at is continue with Unit 311, Section 2-3. Also, some of you may be doing Unit 311, which has become 611. Okay? So all we're looking at here now is identify any hazards which may present a high risk and report their presence to relevant persons. Now again, here you can read this for yourselves. You do not need me to read this to you. Okay? So what this means, what are the daily risks that you face? What hazards may present a risk? Who is the health and safety officer? Consider the causes of accidents. Were people acting safely? Okay. Now again, all I'm doing here is moving up the screen, again with a view for you to read this for yourselves and apply this. Now, was there a competent person doing the work? Site management, were they being supervised? Is there an accident report form? Fill one in and it should form part of your portfolio. Remember, it is a legal duty. Responsible people are directors, site managers, senior supervisors, fire officers, etc. Your foreman is also a responsible person. Look at the company handbook. They normally list this for yourselves. Okay. We're looking at 2-4 now. Okay, and again, apply measures to control health and safety hazards in accordance with the limits of their capabilities and job responsibility. Now look back at 2-3. What were the hazards you had identified? Now here we can look at some slipping, tripping, falling. Okay, exposed holes in the concrete on site. Okay, etc. Who did you report the hazards to? Okay. So for slipping, you would clean up any spillage and put down sand where appropriate. Okay. For exposed holes or separation of work area, you would use barriers clearly marked. I would also expect to see photographs of said barriers, cleaning up of any spillage or rubbish left lying around which is being cleared away to make safe. Okay. 2-5. Make sure you are dressed in full PPE. Again, PPE is predominant. And here, let me go back a little bit. You can read this for yourselves. You don't need me to be reading this to you. Okay. Demonstrate personnel conduct and behavior around your workplace to ensure that the health and safety of themselves and others is not endangered. What does this mean? It means you should not run in your place of work, etc., or do anything which endanger others. You have a duty and responsibility to make sure you are safe and others are safe as well, not just for yourself. Again, you can read this for yourselves. Okay. If they do not, there is a procedure laid down by your company in the handbook. Okay, simply follow that procedure. It's not a case of telling on anybody. It's a case of implying and enforcing the law, which everyone is compelled to comply with, even your employer. Again, be aware, look at your safety signs, get a list because you'll need this for your portfolio and your NVQ folder, okay, or your NVQ folder, which is both the same thing, okay. That is, your portfolio and your NVQ folder are both the same thing. Okay, it's the work that you have gained and done, showing your experience, that you will need to be a qualified electrician. Again, look at the accident forms, know where your first aid boxes are, so forth. Get photos of these, put them in place. Okay, let us show us what you know, what to do and how to do it. Again, you can read this for yourselves. You don't need me to be reading this out to you. Okay. Again, here I'm just saying that I would not want to be the person to tell your girlfriend that you are not coming home. Okay. So when you go to work, the main priority is to get you home safely and in one piece. Okay. Okay, and that will be us at this point in time. Now I will be following on with other units, so bear with me while I try to take these units in step by step. Okay, and do feel free to browse through these. I am open to questions, so feel free to ask me any questions if you wish. Okay, I believe there's a section on my channel to ask questions, and I will try to answer those if I can. If I can't, I will let you know, or I will set about trying to find information that you have asked me about. Okay. Alright, we'll stop there now, and again, thank you for your time. Bye bye.